Have you guys noticed that most of my videos start with me in a car, driving, heading somewhere? It's probably because I'm always on the run. But regardless, welcome to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Today is a very busy day. I bought three cars from Manheim, which is a dealer auction. One of them, however, is a salvage title car, and the other one is a non-runner. Of course, my mind thinks best case scenario is maybe a very bad battery, bad starter, bad alternator, easy fixes. Worst case, bad engine, bad transmission. We'll see once we get there. So the cars are a 2004 Chevy Malibu, 2008 Scion TC, that's the salvage title car, and a 2003 Volkswagen Jetta. I think it's a VR6, if I remember correctly, and that's the non-runner. For all three cars, I paid, I think, around $3,100 with fees. And aside from the Volkswagen, the other two are pretty darn low mileage. But today, it's gonna be a busy day. So I got the whole family with me helping me out. And we're going to the auction right now to get them paid for, and we'll see which car we're gonna take back first. Made it to Manheim. There it is, Manheim, Portland. Let's get these cars paid for. Okay, here we go. Got the paperwork. So two cars are gonna be right there, and then the non-runner will be somewhere on that side. So I think first one we're taking is the Chevy Malibu. It's a green color, maybe dark greenish, I don't know. But we'll try to find it. I think I see it. Looks kind of ugly. But if I make money on it, that's all that matters. The question is now, will it start? And actually, since I'm here, I should probably look for that Scion. Let's see, yes, this is it. There we go, guys. Beaverton Toyota was the seller. Ooh, I didn't see that. That's probably why I got it for so cheap. All right, let's see if she starts. All right, that's a good sign. It started as jets are pulling up. All right, so no warning signs. Almost full tank of gas. Need to adjust my seat, power seat. AC is turned on. So guys, I think we're good to go. Saw this stuff, it's all minor. I'll be able to glue it back on. But I paid, I think, $1,100 for this car. And I tell you what, guys, I am happy with the purchase if it has no mechanical issues, because cosmetic stuff I could fix. Don't really like doing mechanical work. But the next cheapest one in this area is like $2.5 grand, and I think mileage is quite a bit higher than, 87,000. Okay, so it looks like just a clean, few minor touch-ups, and the car should be good to go. Honestly, I didn't check the oil level or anything, kind of winging it. We'll see what's gonna happen. Hopefully it doesn't overheat. Why is my AC still on? I don't want AC. You guys might be asking, why is he saying it's gonna be a long day? Let me kind of put it into perspective. So I get up very early every morning at 4:50, my alarm goes off and I go into work. Right now we picked up the car, and since I have no room at my house, no room at the dealer lot, these three cars are going to my in-laws' house because they have a lot of land and they are very accommodating to my car adventures, so to speak. So they let me park cars at their house, which is super awesome. But the problem is, from the auction, it's about a 20, maybe 25 mile drive one way. So we're going there now, and then we're grabbing our flatbed trailer and then going back to the dealer auction, loading up the non-runner, and then grabbing the Scion, and we're going back to their house. So I'm gonna do, I mean, with just this back and forth, around 100 miles within the next maybe 2-3 hours. And I'm assuming on the way back right now, there will be traffic because it's 1:32 p.m. right now, and in about an hour it's gonna start getting backed up. So today will be a very, very long day. But this car seems to be running extremely well. No hiccups. Temperature is at a great stage. This steering wheel cover is kind of grossing me out. Don't like it. And then unfortunately the rear busted window, which I didn't see. But you know how it goes. You don't really pay attention. And this car, I actually wasn't planning on buying it. I was waiting for another car I was gonna bid on, and this thing came up, so I threw, I think, 2 bids on it, and I got it for super cheap, in my opinion, for a car that's running really well, with no check engine light, no transmission issues. So I am very happy with it. I will clean it up, and it should sell fairly quick. Heck, a back road driving here. This is mid-July, and look at this weather. It's nice, because I'm not like scorching hot, but this is ridiculous. Look at that. Hi, Toby. Oh yeah, you're lonely, huh? Okay, so there she is, made it. I even got some cool California plates. The only thing I noticed that was off is at higher speeds, the steering wheel shook a little bit. So might need to get those balanced while tires have some wear. That started to peel towards the end. Aside from that, it runs really well. Let's see if it... Look at that, remote start. Oh, this thing will sell quick. All right, let's get the trailer prepped. Have to remove this boat cover. Got that on. Let's get this raised. Almost perfect. Back at Manheim. Now let's find this Scion. I didn't really look at it too intently when I picked up the other car, but it should be somewhere around here because these are the sold lots. And honestly, I don't even remember what color it was. Like a darkish gray, blue. I have no idea. Pretty sure this is it. Yep. Veteran. Some clear coat peeling. That's missing, but it looks like it was wired for subs. Door light is on. I don't have my jump box with me. It's inside the car. Nope, it's dead. Maintenance required. I take that as a check engine light. Let's get this rolled down. I need to add a little bit of oil to it. So let's get this thing out. Found the Jetta. Threw a jump box on it. So actually, let's see if she'll start. Would you look at that? It started. Has a battery light, which tells me it's probably a bad alternator that's not holding charge. So guys, I might have scored just now. Visit. Oh, heater issue. Okay, so we're gonna kill it. I'm gonna get the ramps kind of situated on this thing. And it's almost out of gas, so should be able to drive it up on the trailer, which is good. I don't have to use the winch. Oh boy, let's do this. Guys, we are moving, but this thing has no power steering. And it says, check coolant. Engine seems to run fine though. Okay, let's see. Good, good. Tires are good. It's a little low, so I'm gonna raise these so when I drive up it, the trailer will tilt a little bit. Man, this is a workout. Let's get this put down. Let's do it. Just like that, guys. It is done. So, where's my phone? I'm gonna send my wife a quick Snapchat that it's loaded up. Just gotta strap it down. And then we are on our way. I am out here breaking a sweat. Man. Whew. So, I really hope that there's a gas station very, very close by. Because the Tahoe says there's enough fuel for 37 miles. But while towing, running it on empty, I'm sure there's gonna be traffic. It's not gonna be good. So first stop, pick up the kids from my wife because she'll be taking the Scion and I'll be towing. And then gas station as soon as possible. Ooh, I broke a sweat. Yeah. His wife is taking that. Guys, one thing I did not realize, there's a massive sub box inside this car. Like, massive, look at that. Focus? No focus. Okay, bye babe. This is what we're working with. Boy, today's a busy day. Tank full of gas. Crossed into Colombia. We go boating there. So this is leaving Portland, as you guys can see on the sign right here. And we are entering Washington. There's another sign. So we're actually making really good time with almost no traffic, which is very happy. Which is making me very happy. We made it back. Boy, it's been a long day. So here's the VR6. Honestly, guys, I think this was a pretty good buy. I don't think there's an issue with the transmission or engine. The problem is possibly low coolant or maybe a coolant leak somewhere. Bad alternator and something off with the power steering, which is all hopefully I can fix. But this one is a clean title, 132,000 miles. If I'm gonna round up the numbers, I paid $350 for this car as it sits. Interior seems pretty darn flawless. Tires are new. It's fully loaded. It has heated seats, leather, moonroof. I mean, the whole shebang. It looks really, really clean. The Malibu. I think I told you guys a little bit about it. There's the mileage, 87,000. So actually, it is 25 miles from here to the auction. So the only thing is this window, which I'll need to take a picture of because I have a gentleman who does this type of work for me. That one will probably be the least work car. This one, I don't know what's up with this, the trunk, how to open it. But this one will need a little bit of work. So these tires all match. Looks like thread is good. This one matches, but the front one is different. And I don't know if the size is different. It kind of look the same, so hopefully not. It's a smoker's car, so there's some odor to it. It needs a really good cleaning. And then it has the massive sub in the back. And this looks like 12, maybe 15-inch subs. I don't know if it has an amp or not. But yeah, this thing will need a good cleaning. It seems like it runs really well. I actually don't have the keys anymore. I was gonna see if it starts now that it ran. But for this video, this is gonna be it. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for watching. This was a really, really hectic day. But I think I got some good cards. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.